day to be outside.
Yo, Cameron, how's homework going? You learning anything? All right. Another snow day.
Another one.
Another one.
Another one.
Another one.
What are we doing today?
We're gonna go outside with a whole bunch of people and hopefully play some kickball. But we gotta find a ball first.
You decided to wake up. Cameron.
Yeah.
What are we doing today, dude?
I believe we're playing kickball.
At what time?
4 o'clock.
Oh, I like your watch.
Appreciate it.
Look who else decided to come in. Micah.
What's up, guys?
We got
How you
Micah. We got Micah.
What's up?
Micah and Micah. And then we got Cameron. Not only do we have 1 box of whales, we got 2 boxes of whales. We always got to get you with your shirt off in every vlog, bro.
Not right now.
It's okay.
I gotta do some push-ups.
I'm leaving all my goods in the room. Wallet, leaving it here because we're going all out.
A kickball, we're using a soccer ball. This is literally all our school's got.
Yo,
This
you
sock.
like these?
Those
Shout
boots.
Shout out to Callum Best for the socks.
Dude, you're
Shout
looking
out.
fresh.
To Cabela's for the shoes.
Alright. This is not an ad.
No, absolutely not.
Yeah.
Patagonia, Vineyard Vines, some Chubbies,
Chubbies.
some GH Bass. I can't afford L.
Yeah, I got Sperry.
Those are expensive though.
I don't know what I'm doing.
You pick the people that can kick the ball the furthest.
Okay.
How you feel about not going first round, bro?
I don't see a problem with it. I'm still low-key pissed, but you know, it's okay. It's okay.
How you feel about not being picked first?
I'm not mad, but I'm pissed off.
Okay. None of the guys are going first round. Carly's still last. It's okay. Oh, Carly got picked. Okay. What's our team name again?
We're the Snow Globes. Snow Globes. Snow Globes.
Interview with Micah. Micah, how do you feel about the game going on right
Feeling
now?
pretty confident. We got a strong team. Some new players, but they're strong as well. Definitely athletic. I was looking at the other team, watching film with them, and they seem to be confused on some things team-wise. Just can't work those issues out, so that's a big positive for us. Overall, I think we'll take out the dub. Might be pretty even in the front end, but then in the back end, we're definitely going to pull ahead strong.
Oh, it's so cold.
This is actually kind
What if you're a man? Dude, like, you know,
of interview. How you feeling, bro?
we're struggling right now. I think we've given up 3 runs, and we've only been playing for about 2 minutes.
What do you think? What do you think? Was that an out or?
I think it was an out. Obviously, he was getting fancy doing those backflips.
Okay.
He missed the plate. He's still out.
Lily, thoughts?
It's
Have you ever
cold.
played kickball in your life? Are you athletic?
No, yeah, a little bit.
Okay, okay, a little bit. How's your team doing right now?
We're doing really bad.
Okay, hey, you gotta pick it up. You gotta pick it. Oh wow. I'm gonna get me a video of me kicking the ball. I haven't got one of me yet. Go baby! Go baby! Okay!
I'm
stunning.
Kind of impressed.
That's right. Mama gave you good legs.
Face, Vandy.
Yes! Oh, out. It's alright. It's okay.
It's all about the technique.
It's all about technique. Alright, let's see it. Safe.
We're safe.
Technique, right?
Yeah, it's a little bit sketchy.
Like, you can't run through second base.
Okay, you know what? No one explained the rules. That's in baseball.
You're an athlete. I expect you to know this stuff.
Sorry.
That's light skin. I don't know what it faced.
That's it. That's it right there. That's it.
Snow Globes are up by a lot. We did just have a shorter run there, but like I said, front end of things, we're going to keep things more even. Second end, we're going to really just kick the high gear.
Okay, I hear you. Well done. Thank you so much for coming.
1, 2, 3, Snow Globes! Don't hold back, don't hold back! Hold back, don't hold back!
What was that?
I couldn't help it.
Natalie! Out here, we're not wearing shirts as you can tell, but we're about to go probably tackle.
I'm cold.
We're gonna go tackle a snowman. Take your shirt off. Hurry up! Cameron, quick, post-game interview, bro. How'd it go?
It went pretty good.
What's positive? What's negative?
Negative, we sucked. But you know, we had fun. That's all that really matters.
We lost. You lost. I'm on your team. We lost. Oh.
We have the heart of champions, so we actually won.
The squad, the nursing squad, minus Natalie. There you describe the burger.
Heaven on buns. Basically like me.
That was good.
Reaper Thomas is really pulling through on the snow day.
About to hit this hill sledding. I'll let you know how it goes. Yo, that was so fun.